Publishers attending the 29th Beijing International Book Fair said the fair enhances cultural exchanges and learning between civilizations. The four-day event wraps up in Beijing on Sunday, gathering exhibitors from 56 countries and regions. A total of 2,500 exhibitors showcase more than 200,000 Chinese and foreign titles at this year's book fair, which is held both online and offline.
And when we come to a book fair like Beijing, we want to introduce the new titles that we will be publishing this year, but also next year and the year after. We had strong cooperation with a number of publishers in China who buy the copyright from us and translate our books into Chinese.
We would like to deploy all the Italian different facets of culture, because we think it is very important that our two countries keep on understanding each other, learning from each other. So we think cultural promotion through books is a very powerful way of consolidating our friendship, wonderful friendship, and developing even further for the long term.
见到了很多老朋友，然后呢，也认识了一些新的潜在客户，觉得还是很有收获。我们对未来的国际合作空间还是满怀期待的。